Hi, good morning, children. Today we can start our computer class. Your first chapter, Microsoft Word 2010.
First chapter, Microsoft Word 2010. In this chapter, you have to study about MS Word window parts and understanding about editing features of MS Word. Next one is apply bullets, superscript and subscript. Okay, children, this is our portion. Okay, then we have to start about Microsoft Word. Last year you already studied about this Microsoft Word, isn't it? Listen, the software used for word processing or documentation is known as word processor. You know, with the help of a word processor, we can type, edit, format and modify documents like letters, essays, notices, isn't it? While typing, we can easily correct mistakes with the help of a word processor. You know that? Yes, a few of word processors available today are Microsoft Word, OpenOffice Writer, isn't it? Microsoft Word is the most popular word processing software. Okay. Now start with Microsoft Word 2010. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processors released by Microsoft as a part of MS Office package. Microsoft company has released many versions of Microsoft Office like MS Word, MS Office 98, MS Office XP, MS Office 2003, MS Office 2007, MS Office 2010. Then now available MS Office 2013 also. 2013 also. Okay. Then you know how can we invoke this MS Word 2010? Yes, last year you already studied this one. Click on the start button, select all programs, click Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Word 2010. Okay. Next method you know, double click on the shortcut icon of Microsoft Word on the desktop. Okay. Now an empty Microsoft Word window titled Document 1 Microsoft Word appears on the screen. Now you have to study details about this Microsoft Word window parts. Okay. The window displays the workspace with the File tab and other tabs along with the ribbon, ruler bar, status bar, scroll bar, page layout and zooming slider are some of the toolbars in Microsoft Word. Okay. Each of these toolbars carries icons, that means buttons with different functions. Okay. These facilities make MS Word the most popular and useful word processor. So many tabs are there. Okay. Then first one, title bar. You know title bar? At the top of the window there is a bar, blue colored strip. Okay, that one is called title bar. Title bar displays the name of the application and the file name we have to open, isn't it? Then next one, File tab. File tab is located on the upper left corner of Microsoft Word 2010 window, isn't it? It consists of the basic commands for creating a document such as new, open, save, page setup, print. Okay. File tab replaces the Office button in Word 2007. You know, before the last year there is in our computer lab there is Microsoft Word 2007. Now available this 2010. Okay children. Then Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar is usually located on the upper left corner of the Word window. Okay. Next to the File tab. It works as a shortcut to commands under various menus. Okay. It consists of some of the most commonly used commands in MS Word. We can add or remove commands from the Quick Access Toolbar with the help of the arrow button on the right corner of the toolbar. Isn't it children? Quick Access Toolbar. Okay. All of you understood? The next one is tabs. Tab is the most useful option in MS Word 2010. You can see the tab just below the title bar. Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailing, Review and View are the tabs. Home is the default selected tab. When you click on each tab, different options will be displayed just below it. Okay. Each and every one you can see. Okay. Next one is ribbon. Okay. Ribbon is a set of tab contents that shows items under a tab in group wise. Okay. It is located just below the tabs. By default, the ribbon shows the options under the Home tab. If you click on another tab, the options under that tab will appear on the ribbon. Okay. The next one is status bar. At the bottom of the MS Word window, we can see a bar called status bar. It provides information about the current document including page number, line number, number of words used in the document, etc. Okay. The next one is scroll bar. Scroll bars are used to move through the page up and down or right and left. Isn't it? If you click on the right arrow of the scroll bar, the window will move to the right and vice versa. Isn't it? This scroll bar is known as horizontal scroll bar. Similarly, the scroll bar at the right of the window helps you to move up and down by clicking up or down arrow. This scroll bar is known as vertical scroll bar. Okay. Then next one is ruler bar. The ruler bar is used as a scale. It shows the width and height of the page. It is also used to set the margins of a document. Then zooming slider. The zooming slider is located on the bottom right corner of the Word window. Okay. It helps to enlarge or reduce the page view of the document. Okay children. Zooming slider. We can see a plus and minus buttons on the bar. The plus button enlarges and the minus button reduces the size of the page view. Isn't it? Yes. Then layout bar. The layout bar is located on the bottom right side of the window just before the zooming slider. It helps you to determine on which layout the current page should appear. There are 5 layout views, namely print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline and draft. Okay. Then next one is workspace. Do you know workspace? Okay, last year you already studied this one. And type on this Word window, isn't it? Workspace is the work area of MS Word window. It is also known as text area of the window. Okay, the matter while typing appears here. You can write, edit, format, align and design our works here, isn't it? You can see a small line blinking on the top left corner of the workspace. It is called cursor. Okay, cursor. Then Home tab. The Home tab carries all the necessary tools for formatting and editing a document. It contains 5 groups, namely clipboard, font, paragraph, style and editing. Okay. Then next one is font group. Do you know font group? Font group is one of the groups of the ribbon of the Home tab. The font group helps you to make the text bold, italic, underline and to select font color, font type and font size of the text. You can make your text beautiful using font group. Okay. Do you know what are the shortcut keys? Bold, italic, underline. Control plus B bold, Control plus I italic, Control plus U underline. Okay, children. Then next one is font. Do you know font? Font means characters used for typing a text. Okay. We can choose different types of fonts by using font type tab. The font type size button can be used to make the text bigger or smaller. You can apply different font colors to get colorful text in your document. Okay. Changing font type. How can we change the font type? Do you know what are the steps? To change the font type, these are the steps. 4 steps are there. Select the text. First option, select the text. Click on the Home tab. Click the font type in the font group. Select any font type from the drop down list. Okay, an arrow is there. Then we can select the drop down list. Okay. Changing font size. To change the font size, 4 steps are there. Select the text. First step is select the text. Okay. Click on the Home tab. Click on the font size in the font group. Select the font size from the drop down list. Okay. Then next one is changing font color. Okay. First step is select the text. Click on the Home tab. Click the arrow mark on the font color icon. Then click a color. The font color will get changed, isn't it? Okay, children. Then next section, paragraph group. Okay, paragraph group. The paragraph group provides different text alignment options. Alignment means, what is alignment? Last year you studied alignment. Alignment means positioning of text with respect to the left and right margins. Okay. Position is called the alignment, isn't it? Can set the positions. How many types of alignment are there? 4 types of alignment are there in MS Word. They are left, right, center and justify. Do you know that alignments? Yes. Then next one is left alignment means aligning text in a straight line at the left margin. Okay. Right align means text flow begins from the right and ends in left. Center align means text is positioned in the middle and respect to the left and right margins. Okay. Justify align means the text is aligned in a straight line both on the left and right margins. Okay, 4 types of alignment are there: left, right, center and justify. Okay, all of you understood? Then next one is next section, bullets and numbers. You know bullets and numbers. You can specify any important points in a text with a special signs. These signs are called bullets. The bullet library includes symbols and pictures of bullet styles. Isn't it, children? Different types of bullet styles are there. To add a bullet, select the line and then click on the bullet icon on the paragraph group of Home tab and select a bullet from the list. If you want to put numbers instead of bullets, just select the items and click on the icon for numbers next to the icon for bullets in the paragraph group. Okay, paragraph group it is there. Okay, next section, undo and redo. Do you know undo and redo? Undo option helps you to undo or bring back to the earlier stages of a work in a document. We can bring back the deleted word by clicking the undo button from quick access toolbar. There is a undo icon. If your earlier action of deleting the word was right, just click on the redo button on quick access toolbar. The word will appear again. In this way, you can cancel or repeat any action on the document using these redo and undo buttons. Do you know the shortcut key of the redo and undo? For redo, we can use Ctrl+Y. For undo, we can use Ctrl+Z. Okay. Then next one is Format Painter. Format Painter is a few feature, that means important feature. Format Painter is a feature in MS Word that applies a style from one part of the document to another. Do you know how can we take this Format Painter? First step, select the source text, click on Home tab, clipboard group to Format Painter. The pointer changes into a brush. Drag the brush over the target text. Okay, the formatting of the target text will becomes the same as the source text. Okay, children, this one is called Format Painter. Then next one is subscript and superscript. Do you know subscript and superscript? A subscript or superscript is a character such as a number or letter that is set slightly below or above the normal line of type. Isn't it? It is usually smaller than the rest of the text. Subscript appear at or below the baseline, isn't it? While superscript are above. Superscript, that means above. Subscript means below, isn't it? If you need a subscript in your Word document, place the cursor where you want the subscript to go, then click the button. Okay, there is a that button, X2 button. If you need a subscript in your Word document, place the cursor where you want the superscript to go, then click X square button. Okay, X above there is a 2. That button is called X square button. Okay. Then important property of this MS Word is highlight. You can select the text or an image and then highlight it, or use the highlight tool to mark the different parts of a document. You can also remove highlighting or quickly find highlighted terms in your document. Okay. These are the steps to highlight the text. First, we can select the text that you want to highlight. Okay. Then second step, go to Home tab, select the arrow next to text highlight color. Okay. Select the color that you want. Okay. Different types of colors are there. You can select that one. Okay. All of you understood? The next one is change case. Now change case. You can change the capitalization or case of selected text in a document by clicking a single button on the Home tab called Change Case. All the cases buttons are there in the Home tab. Okay. To change the case of selected text in a document, 3 steps are there. Listen. Select the text for which you want to change the case. Okay. Go to Home. Change case option is there. Then do like this. Listen. To capitalize the first letter of a sentence and leave all other letters as lowercase, click sentence case. That case is called sentence case. Okay. To exclude capital letters from your text, click lowercase. Okay. First case is sentence case. Second case is lowercase. Okay. To capitalize all the letter capital, isn't it? That case is called uppercase. Okay, children. Then next, to capitalize the first letter of each word and leave the other letters lowercase, click capitalize each word. Okay. Then next one is to shift between two case. That means two case views are there. Capitalize each word and the opposite capitalize the word. Click toggle case. That case is called toggle case. Okay. These are the cases in the change case option. Okay. Then next one is strike through. You know strike through, strike. The word itself is that one. To apply the strike through, select the text, then select the Home tab, click on the strike through button on the font group. Now, when view our document, the text should have a line through it. That means strike through, isn't it? Apply or remove single line, single through, strike through formatting. Select the text. What do you want to format? Go to Home, strike through. Okay. These are the 2 steps for taking strike through. Apply or remove double line strike through formatting. Select the text that you want to format. Go to Home and select the Font dialog box launcher and then select the Font tab. Okay, select double strike through. There is double strike through and 2 lines are there. Strike through means one single line, then and double strike through means 2 lines are there. To remove double strike through formatting, select the text, click Home tab. Okay, that means click Home tab, select strike through twice in the font group. Okay, in the font group it is there. Options are there. Okay, children. Then we can wind up our class. Today you have to study about Microsoft Word processor. Okay. Then tab is the most useful options in MS Word 2010. Ribbon is a set of tab contents that shows items under a tab in group wise. Status provide information about the current document. Zooming slider helps to enlarge or reduce the page view of the document. Workspace is the work area of Word window. Font means characters used for typing a text. Okay.